Hi everybody! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make an origami flower, which you can use as a perfect decor for gift box, envelope and greeting card. Or you can create a unique jewelry. This origami flower has 5 petals, so take 5 square pieces of paper. My favorite size is 8 to 8 centimeters, but it depends on how big you want your flower to be. As an example, I will use this piece of paper with measurements 11 to 11 centimeters. First, fold it in half. Try to make all creases neat and sharp. Now, bring this edge to the central line. Do the same with the opposite side. Make a diagonal crease. Make sure the edges are in one line. Unfold it and make one more diagonal crease. Unfold the right side of our paper. We need to make a fold along this diagonal line. This movement is quite tricky, so take this corner and pull it like this. Now fold the top layer along this line. And then fold it back like this. Bring the right top corner to the central line and do the same with all corners. Fold the petal in half and repeat this crease. And the last step is to make a fold over here. Our petal is ready. It's time to assemble the flower. This petal has a triangle over here, and we need to place this triangle inside the petal, like this. Hope it wasn't difficult. Now I'll finish assembling my pink flower. It's made from special paper with pearl metallic finish on both sides of paper. Thanks for watching and waiting for your comments. See you soon!